Let's start with the topic of loops. In this lesson, we will talk about infinite loops. Every frame refresh per second in computer games works with this logic. We need repetitive, functional structures in embedded systems, simulation systems, robotics, and many more. As the name suggests, the infinite loop means that it will run continuously if you do not make any intervention. Subject to we can intervene with the keywords break and continue, but they are the subject of later lessons. Now let's increase the mutable variable that we have created by taking it into an infinite loop. Moreover, let's print this increment with the println macro. It is useful to make a small warning here. If your computer is very slow, it may freeze your computer. You can stop a running loop with the Ctrl+C keys. As you can see, we have stopped our cycle by interfering. Of course, we won't be stopping manually this way in programming. With the keywords break and continue, which we will see in the next lessons, we will make the loop perform various operations under our control.